Well, my husband Ken, he was researching, and then he found this concrete homes and said, "What do you think about that?" And I said, "Concrete?" It sounded like a bunker, but when he showed me pictures, I loved the look of it.
The most common misconception when it comes to homes is that it's cold, ugly, gray, not gonna be homey at all. We can really make it look like anything. You want it to look like wood, we'll make it look like wood. You want it to look like stone, we can do that. Just because it's concrete doesn't mean it has to be gray. You can paint concrete, you can do colored concrete even.
It started to make more sense to me that, yeah, this could look like a home. We could make it whatever we wanted it to be, because they can basically style concrete to look like anything. The one thing I really liked about concrete is it's windproof, tornado-proof, fireproof, and that's a big issue where we are, surrounded by forest.
If you use a traditional home, you've got drywall to fix up. You have things that can rip off the wall very easy. When you're using a concrete home, there's no way anybody is going to be putting a hole into your concrete. You can't burn it. You can't tear things off of it. It's just very durable, very little maintenance over the lifespan of the building.
I was shocked every time I looked at pictures how much progress they had made. We started in June, and by Labor Day we were moving in.
Because we use tilt-up construction, JanVeek is able to construct homes in 6 to 8 weeks. We actually form the panels flat on site and we tilt them up with a crane. Because of this, we can do fully insulated panels very easy. We can add architectural finishes to the exterior, run conduit before we pour the layer of concrete. So once you stand your wall up, you've got your architectural finish right to your interior finish. Your insulation is in there, your conduit's in there, so you just need to run the wiring. It can go together really quickly. At JanVeek, we're more than just the builder of the home. We're really there as a team support for the whole process of your home. We help with the permit stage. We make sure you have the proper drawings to submit. We make sure that your lot is going to be suitable for a JanVeek home before you ever even come close to signing a contract. We care about the whole building process. We have different pricing structures on our website. You can go in, you can pick the size home that you want, you can pick the finish, the trim levels, and it will tell you what's included in every trim level. And then you'll actually get right away emailed a price. So you're not ever wondering what the cost is. You can figure it out, whether it be late at night or early in the morning. You're not waiting for us to return a phone call or an email.
They communicate very well. Anybody that wants to build a house with JanVeek, you'll be pleasantly surprised. One word I would use to describe the experience with JanVeek is wonderful.